Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update OpenClaw bot. All right, let's begin. Updating your OpenClaw bot is a straightforward process that ensures you are running the latest features and security patches. To start, open the terminal on the device where you have OpenClaw installed. For many users, this might be a virtual private server like Hostinger, but the steps remain consistent regardless of your hosting environment. Once you are logged into your terminal, simply type the command OpenClaw update and press enter to initiate the process. The system will automatically scan through all your files and determine which components require an update. It will then fetch the latest version and apply the necessary changes. This procedure typically takes just a few minutes to complete, depending on your connection speed. Once the terminal confirms the update is finished, your bot is ready to go with all the newest improvements. Regularly checking for updates is the best way to keep your bot running smoothly and avoid compatibility issues with integrated services. So that's basically how you can update OpenClaw bot. That's it for this video. Thanks.